Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Back to the shop we go. So, if you saw the last video, you'll know where we are with this. If you didn't, then check back on my last video and you can watch the process of how I made these. Today, we're going to try and get the top done, maybe the benches as well, get it all sanded, and we got a delivery coming as well for more wood. So you have to start the day as you mean to go on. I'm starting it with fruit and an energy drink. Breakfast of champions. Damn it. I don't actually have a bench sander, so this is my device, which works quite well. Just clamped down with a rope. Means you can move the material around without having to move the sander around, which actually is easier. Now I'm on to doing the tabletop. I've got all the planks, well, roughly set out. Obviously the good side is on the underside because the tops are all sanded and ready to go. I just need to work out exactly where I want all these and we shall be good, and we'll flip it over. This table has just got a clear coat on it and it's just a wood preservative. It will need to be reapplied each year, but it won't deteriorate in the sun as much as if it didn't have anything on it. And it should, it's kind of like a, kind of smells like petrol, to be honest with you. But once it soaks in, it's quite good. The water runs off of it to a degree, but it doesn't soak it up as much as it would without it. So I'm going to get this out of the shop because it stinks. Unfortunately, that's all I have for you today. I've run out of time. Let's go and collect some wood ready for the winter. I've got another shipment of scaffold boards coming through, so I need to go and get them all through the house. And it's Friday, so early day for all. Thanks for watching. Remember to give the old thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.